Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show how to edit Moody Black in Lightroom Mobile application. Here are some example before and after using this filter. Let's start editing. First go to Light, Contrast -14, Highlight -100, Shadow -38, Whites -53, Blacks +24. And done. Light. Go to Color Vibrance -20, Saturation -5. Then go to Mix. Red saturation +18. Orange hue -5, saturation -19, luminance +22. Green saturation -100, aqua hue -34, saturation -100, luminance -56. Blue hue -20, saturation -100, luminance -53. Purple hue -37, saturation -100, luminance -59. Magenta hue -65, saturation -100, luminance -28. And done. Mix. Go to Effects, Texture +20, Clarity +15, Days +22, Vignette -20. Sharpen 15. Noise Reduction 21. Contrast 23, Color Noise Reduction 23. Detail 70. Smoothness 70. And done. Effects. And go to Graph, and plot as shown. And finish. Now let's try to copy the edited preset and add to another photo.